So, I needed a place where I could say bye to the whole world. I needed a place where everyone wasn't allowed in, just me. I needed a place where I could even bring a cup of water in case my throat got dry. I needed a room that was full of everything that would keep me focused on what I needed to be focused on. I needed to omit myself from the current political situation, and omit myself from any family troubles, if any at all. And finally, it had to be mine. This is what I came up with. How would you like a room tour? I've been doing videos for about 2.5 years, and not once have I done a room tour. So here we go. Well, what's up everybody? Evan DiDio here. I hope you enjoyed my little whiteboard thing. I like this thing, it's fun to just draw on. Anyway. Anyway, I wanted to come on because I've gotten several requests to do a room tour that, over the past several weeks people have been asking, when are you gonna do a room tour? Can you please do a room tour? So finally we're here with the first video in this series for the room tour. Now I'm gonna be talking about the guitar corner, but wait. First, you need to know, I love you. If you need anything, you let me know. And I want you to let me know, especially if you have any questions, because I'm going to do several parts in this series and then I'm going to do a mega video. So, if you're tuning in within the first few weeks of these videos being released, put your question in the comments and they will get answered in the mega video. So, now's your chance to get your questions answered. If you have any throughout the entire video, put them in the comment section below. I won't answer them in the comments, but I will answer them in the mega video coming up in a few weeks. You probably have a good 5 weeks. There's a lot of space in this bedroom that I have here that are all of my different camera angles. There's more than 6 or 7 different camera angles, so there's a lot we need to cover. But that's why I'm doing this, so y'all can see everything that I went into thinking about this. I don't want you to make the same mistakes I made, okay? I don't. So let's jump into the first room tour of the guitar corner. Alright, so here is the guitar corner. This is kind of the first part of the room I wanted to share with you because this has been a part of the room that I've had for many years now. All my life I've had some place where I kept all of my guitar stuff, and in this case, in this bedroom, it is this corner. Now you see currently it is fairly blue because I added some LED lights. I couldn't help myself. But yes, to start off with, we have the Taylor T5Z, which you have seen in several videos before. That's the guitar that God gave me. So if you want to know more about the guitar that God gave me, click the video right there because it's a cool testimony. Moving on to the next one, my first ever guitar, the Alvarez acoustic guitar. This is what I learned how to play guitar on. It was my dad's. He was never too much into guitar. He learned Bad Moon Rising and that kind of stuff, but it just stayed in the basement for years. And finally I was like, hey Dad, can I borrow that? I want to work on guitar. He said sure, and so that's where my journey started like 5 or 6 years ago. Man, time has flown by. Whoa. And next up is the handmade electric guitar. This is a beaut from a luthier in South Carolina. You'll see the little steeple up there. It's very cool. Handmade by a guy in Charleston, South Carolina. Very cool connection I was able to make down there. Next up is the amplifier. I have a Line 6 Spider 5. I believe this is the 120 watt version. I also have the 240 watt. That is at church. I like to kick it at church, but this is the 120. It works great for my room. Don't need it to be too loud like the 240 could be. So this is perfect for what I do, and for recording. It's got a lot of great sounds. With it is the Line 6 FBV3 pedal board. I almost forgot what it was called there. Line 6 Spider 5 pedal board that connects to it via like an Ethernet cable, that kind of thing, which I need to replace because that cable is not doing too good. It's been on the road a good bit, so it's gonna have some wear and tear. All right, and next is the case that I put the amp in. Now what's cool is this is a Gator case. It was very highly recommended on Amazon, so I went ahead and went with it. This fits my bigger amp, and I can put my smaller amp in there too. Now you might be thinking, oh, well, doesn't it slide around and stuff? Well, yes, but I'm able to put towels in the sides, so that way even if it does slide around, it doesn't hurt at all. and it also helps protect the amp a little bit more, so it's very cool. Not completely weatherproof though, so if you're looking for a weatherproof case, this might not be the best. But remember, everything's linked up in the description below if you want to check out any of the equipment that I'm talking about in this video, except for this next item, which I can't find on Amazon because it's more of a family heirloom. This is from my uncle, the steel guitar. Man, it's a beautiful steel guitar too. The brand name is Sky Blue, and actually you've seen it a little bit here on the channel, either in the background or if you watched the Hey Hey cover, which I hope that you did. I did like a year ago, where I almost got ran over by a FedEx truck. Come on, somebody. I actually recorded a little bit of me playing it. Now, I am not a steel player at all, not yet at least. I want to be one day, that'll be fun. But that was just a little bit I was able to figure out how to do based on my current guitar skills. I don't know why that felt so weird to say. Skills. Skittles. And of course there's a giant pile of cables. Not even half of all the cables I own. Not even half. That's sad. I need to get rid of some cables or something. I don't know. But yes, and the final thing that makes this corner for me, that I mean, just makes it, wait, hold on, I almost forgot about this. Sound panels, you see those in the corner? I will be talking about those in a future video, so make sure you subscribe for that. But the final thing that makes this corner the best for me is the window. You might be thinking, oh, what? I can't just purchase a window? Well, I guess you could. I'm not sure how that would work though. You could just like tape it up. I don't know. But I like being able to look outside. Now right now I'm looking out my second window, which we'll talk more about that wall later. My second window, and there's a mockingbird attacking the car a lot and pooping on it. Come on. Come on. That's why I like this window better, because I can look out and just see a field of green, which again you've probably seen in past videos if you subscribe for a while. But yeah, to be able to just open it up, it makes the room feel so much more open, especially that corner. Now I do like to close it sometimes, especially if it's really sunny, because you know, guitar's hanging right there by the Fender I almost said wireless hangers. They're not wireless. I guess they don't have any wires, so I guess that makes them wireless. But hanging by the Fender guitar wall hangers, which are very helpful. And I also forgot to mention this Hercules guitar stand for this electric guitar right here. Oh, and I'm using a Zoom recorder to record some stuff. Not this video, but you know, I use it sometimes. I'll link that up in the description too. But that is the guitar corner. Remember, everything's linked up in the description below. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is the first part in the series. I'm very excited about the series. Hope that you are too. Of the bedroom, we've already covered kind of, well, oh, I wonder, I just had a brilliant idea, y'all. What if I could do a video on each letter? I mean, I don't know what B would stand for. Bed. What would the E stand for? I don't know. I'll figure out something cool for the next video. Just subscribe for that. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Share this video if you thought it was cool. Every worship leader, music director needs a good space that they can just chillax. And this is my chillaxing space. So, subscribe for future videos. Share it with your friends. Share it on Facebook. Why not? Let all your friends know about this. I like the guitar corner. Hope you like it too. See you in the next video. Peace.